Europe has many kinds of ladybirds in all kinds of colors and sizes. Many of them are native to Europe, but we also have one very invasive Asian ladybird, which can be found everywhere in Europe and is highly competitive with all the other ladybirds because it's so much more hungry and proficient at eating all kinds of insects, including other ladybirds, that it drives our native ladybirds away. The Asian ladybird can be recognized by its orange legs. It has a few color patterns. It can be orange with a lot of black dots, or it can be black with very red dots. And if it's orange, it also has a very clear M, like the M of McDonald's, at the back of its head. Some ladybirds have these small little fungi on top of them. These fungi are called Hesperomyces in Latin, which is a difficult name, but in English we call them beetlehangers. They're these small green-yellow balloons which are on the outside of the ladybird, and they're completely filled with spores. And once a ladybird touches another ladybird, for example if they're mating or when they're gathering together in winter for hibernation, a spore shoots from the tip of the fungus, lands on the other ladybird, and then a new fungus grows and the cycle starts again. For our research, we're interested in where and when we can find these fungi on ladybirds and under what circumstances. So we're asking you to look for ladybirds that are infected with fungi, record that, so take a picture, record where and when you did that, and then upload it to your favorite citizen science website, whether that be iNaturalist or observation.org or your local naturalist website. Our European-wide project also has its own app for this called Plutov Go, where you can also find it and then we'll immediately see it. You will especially be able to find them on the Asian ladybird, but you can also find them on our native ladybirds, and if you do that, it would be nice if you could try to catch them and send them our way, because that could very well be a new species. You can find the ladybirds throughout the year, but in winter they'll often crawl into buildings for warmth and to hibernate there. So in winter you'll often find them in your bathroom, in windowsills, in abandoned little sheds. There may be hundreds and hundreds of them. And there they have a very high chance to be infected. And then in spring they'll come out. They might still all be very infected. And then throughout spring, summer, you can find them anywhere where there is food for them, on plants where there is aphids. It might be in trees, it might be on shrubs, it might be on your house plants. And then in autumn they might gather together again to go for hibernation in winter.